With all confidence, bro. Sabi niya lang sa akin, bakit ako alis? Alam ko namang hindi ikaw yan. There was a time kasi bro na, at that time also I was engaged with my wife.
Si Raina.
Si Raina, yeah.
Raina.
We've been together for 8 years. Bro, 16 pa lang kami na.
Wow.
I've been hurting her emotionally, bro, for the past 8 years of our relationship. Nung time na yun, bro, 2023, I got caught red-handed, so we were engaged that time. She caught me cheating, and nalaman niya, para yung realization ko, naimasmasan ako, pero in a different way, na parang, tama na, yung parang, kung gusto mong sirain yung buhay mo, kung gusto mong saktan yung sarili mo, huwag ka mandamay ng ibang tao. Especially itong tao na to, na wala namang ibang ginawa sa buhay mo. Kundi, intindihin ka, mahalin ka. Gusto ko siyang bigyan ng more reasons to leave me. Kumbaga, nabigyan na kita ng rason, I'm hurting you emotionally because I'm cheating on you, and grabe na yung pambabastos na ginagawa ko sa'yo kasi we're engaged. So, when I got home, nagkaroon kami ng eksena, and I expected na, yun na yun. So, pumasok siya ng kwarto, and I felt like, okay, siguro mga maya-maya, naka-impake na yan, alis na. And there was a lot of thoughts in my mind. Pasok ko ng kwarto, bro. Chill lang siya, nanonood siya ng TV, bro. Akala ko naka-impake na. So, sabi ko, parang, are you crazy? Hindi ka ba natatakot na ito yung mga kasama mga bambuhay? Sa madaling salita, habang maaga pa, save yourself. That's why I love telling this story, bro. Like, I'm not ashamed of exposing myself. Yung answer ng wife ko, bro, after everything that I did, with all confidence, bro, sabi niya lang sa akin, bakit ako alis? Alam ko namang hindi ikaw yan. When my wife said that, wala ako ibang naisip, bro, si Jesus. Wala nang. Nag-reflect yung love ni Lord sa wife ko, bro. Sinabi ni Lord sa akin na parang, I've always been here and I will be here.